138 for 3 at the end of 17 overs.
We met last time as well, yeah? Oh my God, okay. We didn't get enough chance. We're back live. So the match is pretty close. I've got the beautiful Shreya Saran with me. And Shreya, I was confused who you going to cheer for. Because we see you in the movies down south and you're going crazy. What do you eat, by the way?
I stand for CCL. I stand for Indian cinema.
So you're sticking to Mumbai Heroes for this tournament. You made up your mind?
No, I want the best one to win. It's a very close match. It's a fun match. It's just nice to see my favorite actors take cricket so seriously. I'm just enjoying it. I'm loving it.
And where is the energy coming from? You've been dancing for the last 4 hours. Is it the Red Bull or what? Tell me what you've been having. I want to eat that as well.
Movies and cricket. It's so much fun. I love them. Look at the way they're playing. They're all so well.
It's getting a bit tight now. You know, you got to chase 10 runs and over. And you got your fingers crossed. Yeah. Who do you think is going to get you there?
I don't know who's really going to win. Really, that's very tough. But as I said, Akhil is my favorite player. And Hindi's playing really well right now. It's really hard to say anything.
Anyway, no matter who wins, we're going to have a big party. If not today, then tomorrow, yeah? Am I right? Well, there you go. I think the first about Apurva's got injured now. So a new batsman is there. Angad is going back in there. So the boys have tried really the best, yeah?
They're playing really, really well. They're really taking it seriously. I believe they've been practicing really hard. People injured themselves while practicing, but it's just they're taking it so seriously.
But the way you and Janeela have been dancing all day, I think they're going to appoint you as your fitness instructors for the next season, yeah?
Yeah.
Anyway, I think the match is about to start, so let's go back live. Over to you, boys.
Atul is having a blast there, over. And why not? It's been a very celebratory atmosphere here. That's Angad Bedi, who's come out as runner for Apurva Lakhia, but I think he's been refused a runner. Has he been refused a runner? That's interesting. There's an edge to the competition coming in.
I don't think he'd have been refused a runner because we saw Venkatesh come in with a runner. So I don't think he's been refused a runner. I think they're calling him back, but Angad Bedi needs to go with a cap on.
Yes. Well, I don't know what the confusion was. Maybe he was not refused a runner. I think Apurva first decided he didn't want a runner, but now he's decided that he wants a runner. Which is sensible because you don't want, after you've had, you could get your hammy in bigger trouble and you could be out for the entire tournament. Now this is, getting to be a little bit problematic for Mumbai because while the target is very attainable and there are lots of wickets remaining, it must be remembered that one good over by the Telugu Warriors could really put a spanner in the works for Mumbai.
10 runs and over required. 3 overs to go. Adarsh being handed the responsibility of trying to rein the Mumbai Heroes in at the moment.
Yeah, let's see how they rein in Apurva. He's struck
a
mighty blow. Good God. The Mumbai supporters will be saying that if he can do this on one leg, but he seems to be in deep trouble now. Even bigger trouble than earlier. Can he stand up? Yes, he stood up. Look at that. But that's the problem of all the weight on his front foot, which has caused that slump.
Apurva seems to be in agony, and I hope he's not damaging his hamstring further by staying on the pitch. But you know, it's such a catch-22 situation, Ayaz, because the Mumbai Heroes need this victory. They need to win this game at any cost, because it will be a turnaround of fortunes, a turnaround in momentum from the last season. But at the same time, you don't want someone like Apurva missing the rest of the season.
You're right, he's one of their key players. He was, I think, amongst the more impressive players for Mumbai Heroes last season. This year, they seem to have a more organized team, done a lot more preparatory work, and it's showing, at least in the batting and bowling. The fielding, while the ground fielding wasn't too bad, I think the catching was something that left a lot to be desired.
Well bowled and well run. Good ball by Adarsh. That's where he needs to bowl. Pitch it up. And very well run by Raja and Angad Bedi. Apurva really seems to be struggling there. He can't even walk at the moment. It's taking a lot out of him to just be on the pitch.
Yeah, I don't know how sensible that is, Rohan, because if he's done his hammy in, I think he should be back in on the masseur's table or the doctor's table inside in the dressing room.
Well, the good thing or the bad thing is he's definitely out for tomorrow's game. I don't think, you know, if he's done his hammy, he can play tomorrow. And then they've got a break for a week where he can sort of nurse his hammy back. So I think they figure they might as well. That's another big blow.
Now that was an opportunity the Telugu Warriors could ill afford to miss. Not an easy catch, but something that needed to be taken if they had to get back into the game. That's Raja flexing his arms, his muscles, beats the long on fielder. That's not a 6, it's gone for 4, but that's 4 very useful runs. So they've got their quota of 10 in this over already. In fact, they've got 11, I think. They had a 6, they've got a 4, and they had run a bye.
.6 the required run rate, now well down from the 10 that was required at the start of the over. Another swing, and the third man doesn't really make an effort to try and catch it. Goes for the save option of saving a 1. This is not what the Telugu Warriors need at this point.
I couldn't understand why the fielder didn't even make an attempt to reach it. The ball was in the air for a long time. That's not a very happy bowler there. That's Raghu of the Telugu Warriors. He just stopped in his tracks. I think maybe he lost sight of the ball.
That's very possible, because you know, if you're not used to playing under lights, sometimes the lights can blind you and you can lose sight of the ball. The Telugu Warriors need a wicket at this point. Apurva Lakhia looking dangerous on one leg. Oh, a swing and a miss. And they run another well taken by.
Yeah, well, every run matters, but every time Apurva Lakhia plays a shot, I think he is increasing the pain on himself. Seems to be a brave guy. $17 more needed. 13 deliveries remaining. So you must say, or one must say, that the advantage is with Mumbai, but there is one man batting on one leg, and anything can still happen.
Well bowled by Adarsh, a hint of movement. End of the over, 151 for 3.